Introducing QR codes. Enhance your user manuals with QR codes to help users better understand your product and how to use it effectively. Emphasize important actions with size. Make your QR codes easy to find on the page by making them larger. This draws attention to the critical information they provide, ensuring users can quickly access multimedia content such as instructional videos, troubleshooting guides, and interactive tutorials. Remember that it's dynamic. Printing extensive manuals can be expensive. By using QR codes, companies can reduce printing costs and update content easily without reprinting. Keep your information current and relevant at all times. Good contrast is crucial. Ensure a higher contrast between your QR code and its background to make scanning easier and more efficient for your users. Don't forget the call to action. Let your users know where the QR code will take them and guide them to actions like warranty registration or signing up for special offers. Finally, ensure a cohesive design. Your QR code should align with your branding guidelines to maintain a professional and consistent look. Get started for free today by visiting oneqr.com. Simplify your user manuals like never before using QR codes.